What's up, guys? So it is the first Cars and Coffee in the Miata. I just barely got the bucket seat into the damn car last night, and I can't feel my wrist on my right hand, but we're gonna finally take it out and go do something with it. It's been sitting in the garage for so long that I almost don't know what it's like to use it. But look how tight that is, guys. I didn't even realize, but you can see the fabric of the seat is pushed against the window. And luckily, like, I've carved away a lot of the fiberglass in there, but that's a tight fit. And you'll hear it when I open the door. Ready? It pops out just a little bit, but here's the seat. And honestly, it's really badass. I gotta go just a little bit lower, so I'll probably do, I don't know, because I already lowered the front down one. It used to be at the top setting, and I lowered it down one, and it gave me a little bit more knee room. But now I want to sit just a little bit lower and a little bit further back if I can. But yeah, I don't know if you can see, but I've got more or less enough leg room right here, and finally holds you real nice. So let's go get an energy drink, because it's 7:40. As far as Cars and Coffee goes, we're getting there a little bit late. It starts at 8, but I had a hard time getting up this morning. It is very busy. We're actually parked all the way pretty much at the end of the lot. There's only 2 parking spaces, like 2 rows left, and then it's the end of the parking lot. So, and we're, I guess at this point, finally being parked, we're 10 minutes before it started. So in Cars and Coffee world, that's late. So we are gonna get out, we're gonna clean it out real quick, and then I'm gonna run across the street and grab an energy drink because I just needed to secure a spot.
I was a little bit older and had, you know, more adult right now. Like the dark horse and shit. Sure, it's fucking great. So, I don't know if you've seen it around, but there is a 1200 wheel fucking 5.0 around.
Really?
Yeah, I saw it at the last meet over too. They pulled up.
The fitment on this thing is really nice.
Dude, you hit. I couldn't do that. I turned too sharp. I would fuck the car.
Yeah, we can walk around. You can sit in mine if you want. It is 100% the least comfortable car you'll probably ever sit in, but it's like the most fun to drive.
Oh, I saw a cappuccino at the other meet I went to.
Was that the one that was on that side of town? Is that the little like purple sparkly?
Yeah.
Yeah. Was that an IHOP?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I was at that meet too.
Yeah. Fucking the little cappuccino. I'm like, holy shit, you put 2 in the parking spot.
So fucking funny.
Like, holy shit, I didn't realize the car got that small.
Did you see the pink Golf with the roof box on it?
At that one?
Yeah.
I think so.
It was right in front of the building. That's my other car.
The 2 Liberty Walks were there too.
Yes.
They were both there. And they were parked like complete assholes.
The
But whatever.
I mean, yeah, on like 15-inch wheels.
Bro, the fucking like Accord over there is taking up like 3 spots because he's sideways. Like, why, dude?
Where at?
Fucking over there.
Oh, really? Dude, the R32 Golf, bro, and it's got absolutely mint fitment. Absolutely mint fitment.
If you hit a bump though, holy fuck. One bump and it's over.
I bet you it's on air. There's no way it rides this way.
100. There's no way that's static. No fucking way.
Dude, this is...
I would feel bad for your poor car.
This is
static like that.
stupid clean.
Dude, I hate... Okay, I'm cool with most things people do to cars. I hate the fucking cambered wheels at like negative 30.
Yeah.
And they lower it so you can't even go over a speed bump.
Like, there's definitely a...
There's a line.
Yeah.
I should be able to drive on regular roads.
Like camber where it's getting your fitment dialed in, then perfect.
These look so good when you build them.
It does. It's got the...
So pretty.
Got some custom door cards in there too. Oh, it's just tape.
It's just tape.
It's just tape.
Going a little faster, bud.
A little bit. Got a Celica, man. On some Mosies.
That
White?
That poor fucking hood.
90s cars in white. Just so good.
They look amazing, but like mine's that pearlescent white. I can't keep the bitch clean.
Oh yeah.
And no fucking shit.
See? Another one.
Yeah.
Eclipse in white. Too damn good.
I don't.
Oh, it's the turbo Eclipse. Oh, and it's got a dump on it too.
Why? Also, why do I need a fucking iPad? Just more distracted drivers on the road, please.
Look at that fitment too. That's so nice.
That might add. I think that's probably static right there.
I think that is. But also like
something about the tow hook too. I love the look of that when they have the tow hook.
as long as it's a real tow hook.
As long as as long as I can actually tow with it and not just rip it out of the car.
Is this an old Jetta?
I think so. It looks like a Jetta.
It's a VR6. Oh no, he's got the badges pulled off of it. What is it?
Bro, but he didn't fucking put the holes. He left the hole. Bro, if you're gonna debadge it, put the holes. Looks like a Jetta though.
I can't tell. I'm gonna assume it's a Jetta. I wonder what car it is. That truck maybe? And that guy's my neighbor. That Evo. That shit's canned as fuck. Yeah.
I love when he pulled up and everybody's like, "Where's your puncture hood?"
Weight reduction.
Yeah, at that point. I saw you. Because the driver just falls free so that you're planted in your seat. Well, if you're driving like that, you're not having. Yeah. Cop car look.
100%.
Every time I pass one, just nosedive the car.
Yeah.
Your brakes, and you're like,
You're like,
that 100 to 40, I hate that. Once you hit like 60, you let off, you hit the brakes, and you just hear them, and you're just like, not a fan.
You're like, oh, okay.
Those stock brakes do not like this.
100%.
Great. I want to put better brake rods in my car. They're fucking expensive as shit.
Yeah.
The benefit being I could probably do the brake rotor myself.
Yeah, you can do it.
Just with YouTube tutorials.
Yeah. Well, so the fronts are not bad. Fronts are pretty easy. It's the rears that are a pain in the ass. Jesus.
Honestly, my favorite car brand that actually does like social media shit.
Dude, it's
like
so
shit
funny,
posts.
huh?
I love it.
It's so funny.
I love how they just like shit posts.
Like, because it's not like Ferrari, which is like Ferrari like takes themselves super seriously and like
fucking social media.
But like you can't even rebadge it.
Or Ferrari will sue you.
Exactly. But then you have Lotus, they're just like shit posting on TikTok.
Yeah.
And I can only talk so much shit because I can't actually afford one. But like.
Well, yeah, of course.
But.
Huracans are like 200 grand.
Yeah.
Or at least they were. Don't know what they are now. They probably went up.
Yeah, because what is it? The Huracan is like the entry level.
Yeah. The Huracans are low. I don't think there's anything below the Huracan.
I don't think so either. Is it like Gallardo next?
Still fucking go past the shit.
What's up?
This Huracan will still get you off the line.
Oh, 100%. This is badass. I like the yellow mirrors too. It really ties it all.
Fucking hood cowled. It's aggressive.
And it's got the matching air freshener.
I didn't see that. Like that? No.
Yeah, you're like, all right, then. Well, dude, and I didn't even. So my friend told me because we were playing Call of Duty, and my buddy told me, he's like, bro, did you see that Ken Block passed away? I was like, no, because earlier that day they posted about his daughter's car being finished, like earlier that day. So I was like, no, they just posted on Instagram. He's like, yeah, dude, it happened like right after that. And I was like,
did you see fucking that she said she would take up the legacy and keep racing for him?
Fuck yeah. That's cool. Dude, he's up there fucking smiling right now.
Well, she's been fucking invested in it for like years.
Well, and she already does some, I believe. So it's like.
Not... Well, your suspension problem. Yes.
Good lord.
How much clearance you want? Yes.
Yes.
As long as you're 400 driving.
Lights.
Yeah. Freaking all of the lights.
Little roof rack. Mad respect.
I love the rack. Like that's amazing. Then you got fucking that one over there too.
Yeah. Oh, it's got Brahms in it too. Good lord.
I've never seen those seats.
Dude, this is sick.
Got the quick disconnect.
Yeah.
Granted, as sick of those look, I don't think I'll ever
Dude,
run one.
Those are like probably $600 seats too.
100%, yeah.
Some
Minimum,
nice
probably.
seats.
The seats are
Wow.
fucking expensive.
Mad
Yeah.
respect. This is super sick.
I feel like I got more mods in the car than he bought the car for.
Dude, I love this thing. This is sick.
Or you got the 70 to like 72 charger over there.
Oh yeah.
Oh, thank you. You all are so wonderful.
This one is brought to you by SATX Collectibles. They're here just to my left. They have rare vehicles. Hot Wheels here. Okay, so
Your boy got some merch. Gonna go back to the car, drop off my stuff, walk around a little bit more, and then I'll record me taking off out of here. So let's go take a look at some more stuff real quick. Oh! Oh man. God damn. People are starting to roll out, but I like all the people that enjoy the Miata. I think everybody thinks it's cute.
White? Yeah, I like when people paint it. Yeah, it's just black. It's nice though. That was all Aaron.
Yeah.
Whenever I turbo it.
Paint this whole car.
That's actually not bad.
Oh, guess what color is it?
What? Hell yeah! You won't. You won't do it.
I'm scared. You already have pink. I don't want to.
So we'll be the two in the pink.
One in A, one in.
Yeah. Yeah. See. Yeah.
It's kind honestly, that's kind of a similar color that I wanted to paint mine. We'll go there.
Do it, bro. I wanted like my wife dared me to do pink. She wanted to do like Barbie pink though, and I was like, okay, I'll negotiate. We'll do like a pastel, but I'm not doing hot pink. And I ended up falling in love with it. Now it's like
what's
my.
his
Agent.
I want to wrap
He
that
has
one
that
purple.
pink?
Yeah, he gave it to me.
Oh, dude, do it.
Yeah, that's what I want to do.
Do you already have a brand in
I might
mind?
drop
No.
the Miata off if you have that color.
check
I'm
out-
also trying to save up for money. And the wrap's gonna be the last thing I have.
Oh, okay.
Because I'm more focused on interior engine stuff.
Yeah.
So.
This is the color I wanted to paint my Miata.
Dude, it's like the same color.
Yeah, it's
Hell
like,
yeah.
that's really similar. Like,
Is
I
that your?
can't- No.
Which one do you? Are you this one? The NA?
No, mine is at home with no radiator.
No radio?
Radiator.
Oh,
So I traded
yeah,
it-
you might need that.
Traded it for a CX Racing Turbo Kit.
Oh shit.
So,
Sheesh.
yeah, it's kind of worth it. You right now?
I'm dipping.
Later, bro.
Later, man. How's the intake perform?
Huh?
Like, does the intake really help?
I don't have anything to really look at the temps, but I feel like it works. It sounds really nice.
Does it?
Yeah.
You can hear the air a lot nicer.
Oh yeah, even just idling. You
Really?
Like, it, like,
Oh.
yeah, it's the CX Racing one. It's all right. HKS makes one for our NBs, the
Yeah.
99s.
Oh, okay.
I've been thinking about getting the HKS intake, which is pretty much the short Rams. But it's,
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's like the short Ram style, but it's pretty much from HKS, so you don't even got to do anything.
Yeah. Does it come with the
Yeah,
the surrounding? Or whatever they call it?
Only I think CX Racing and one other brand does it
Oh,
with
okay.
the box, but the other one no.
Oh, okay.